Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix Bluetooth not connecting on Windows 11. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing what you need to do is head over to your settings, tap on your Windows icon on your keyboard, or simply tap on Windows on your start menu and then head over to devices option. And once you are here, what you need to do is simply check to see if you have toggled this Bluetooth option on or not. Now once you have toggled it on, what you need to do is head back and then open up your start menu once again, then type in services and then hit enter. Now once it loads, what you need to do is scroll down and then you'll find the option that says Bluetooth right here. Now what you need to do is simply set this all to automatic. Now in order to set it to automatic, simply right click on it, click on properties, then here you'll find the status type, select it and then select automatic, then click on apply, then click on OK. Now do this for these both as well, set it to automatic, and this is the most important one, so be sure to set it to automatic as well. And once you do that, go back and then your Bluetooth should be fixed. So that's basically what you can do, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching, bye bye.